cooperative. Me a president. Na if he say me a chum ye who near baby da. Say me mediate 1 year. And so me say adwuma na be say me adwuma bi ameye. Eti me ye ku adwuma na makoto mi ko na abosome nan untu ameka. E de na opese me abrewa mi di. Se adwuma be na me ye na me di. Eti me slaban. Ade se de me di tumi. Ya pani chaw. O kan se bre atwam no beto koko no sister. Wanye kakra ni ade ma ye de yaje atom. Na kakra yaje atom so na wo fe sika yi ma yen. Na ye be ni nti ade se de ani ye de to aben ye sere no. Yes, Rano. Onya maya no komo di ya matitifie. Ya matitifie me nana no atitifie. Sabi nyasika ma no anu akọ. Ete me slaba ni sampa ni chaw. Ni die kwa so mi nyame pa ni chaw. Wo hu ya mo. Na yesika no hia kakra ma ya wate. Ye fu hu afu. Me metumi ado. Metumi na. Ukuta bani a oso okọ gold. Etu amedo. And no Mahama back on the 120. Mimi will be na me akoye. Eti ade se ade and ye de to ani.
Kit ani kitame no. Mo hwe so a obie ni wa ye ebie ni wa ye tuaka. Ni nyina e wo kam. Sese me wo faase a me hwe no. Otifie o cover city. Otifie sika ni wa me de ma akola ne de akọ. Eti ye besira aban. Si sika no
November. Dabena to
November. Na ewo so no. Mo hwe. Ya hyehyɛ. November ani aye. Eti esra aban no. Ye sika no on fe ma yen. Esanse ye ni dwuma bia di o. Ye nkura na ase ha ye wo no. Ye dwuma ni koko. Nyame anim ni aban dada wo free so no. Obeto ye koko mu. Ema ye se dollar wo soro. Enso ni yetumi to niema edi ye ho ye ma school fees ni ye jese ye nya ene mass prayer ni ye no ye nya biem ene wo koto aduro akobo okoko a baako 150 200 ene sika na ye ji ni ye di ato aduro no ye nya ame ye koko no sese akate no esaya na omo se koko no ti ye besra aban se won kai se yensu ye nipa omo te ho ana omo de omu didi enom yesu ye nya bi ani ye di anom ye ne ye ma ene ye wo faase nom ye sere omo kai se omo age yen omo ba be dada yen wo beto obi to koko e ma ye 3100 mo se mo be ma 6000 obi se 7000 ye ni age am yakoto aba amamo ene koko a the price amode to so e be kan ho no e 500 cedis ana mo de be kan ho ana e ko 36000 3600 eno so a mutumi ntua sese mo de asi wo se ada se ye beti koko so ana ye beto so me ye ma meto kwa me nkroma wo mo a me beto wo mo ye papa Lawrence no mo twam o mampanin kufo no na nado atamel so no koko a ye beto so no ye ti se ya ti koko so da eti on hwe ye na wanti koko no so na emomu ba bia sika ne hye no kofa ye sika metua ye ka ne ye ma ye wo faase ne ye nananum no intumi hwe om school ni bi na ba bia hyehyɛ no so ye ma no atumi akoduru hobi na daase ye nso ye nye tamafo nti ye besere mo ma ye John Mahama esedu nkatia Randy Abi o ye sports minister and na wo se wona o ye Cocoa board chief executive wo Cocoa kura woni mu wuram ane wa hu Cocoa ane ye de wa beto so and na hwe ba bia mo de aba ba wie ti esere wom amomfa ye sika ma ye eno ne ye hwehwe ewuni
abusiamfo me cheshe mu nyina akwa abasoronko ene ye another day abusia tele di kan ye no Mahama de ne honsem no another bia ye kan wan hweni obeka se ye time bi na nipa at the time ye wura Mahama enye time na mbom no papa no na mamuo enye fe papa no ne nkrofo ne omonam omode omoho ebeka bom so ombebu oman no bere bi obeba bia no onye ni papa anyone enya juma na video ya me bochire wi video me bochire wo utie ye enye video do nyina no me share me bo fa ba bi na chire ma bo video the whole video no watie ni ye video ya me bochire wo ye Ghana kokko akuafo ene omutwa atwajo omutwa ajajo Ghana kokko farmers ene for like bosome 9 years ya to won kokko ayentua wonka Nti ene wo 9th of February. This is a 4 months and a yen pia will be car. Naturally say, ye can year from October, September, Mubesi and ne. A month for tonko ko de amagana banya, woman and sanka wanakatia. Na, yase, sabio. Yasuma ubia onim yansafo enye de utwa na montentene ye kaya ye moa. Maame na odi kan kasa ne se uti na se mo kan ya o se wadi mfie aduro wotwe ebaako emfie no maako aduro wotwe 81 years ena pa maame na di o se na bra bom onte da se ya to koko na ye ntua aka anase ya to koko na ya tene boso o se onte bi da betene Mahama mamu boni nti maame abrewa no ebe experience such a historical thing. So for the first time in the history of this country, you were dancing in what didn't fear to do watch back home. Ah, dear Mahama yen and ne a office one. The Mahama and crow for yen office one. Oh, who be da, auntie be da, oh, babia. Dear ne catch no. Maybe I'll say Anthony Moaquaba. The assembly was saying country mountain say. Enkrofo no omo ya akromfo da bia me kasi ni pese enkrofo no ya akromfo omo no akuafo and this ya ban be diga na konwa bia akuafo sofa enya akuafo nko a nurse fo so sofa sa na teacher fo so sofa bisa ho sa dentia bisa ho sa dientia. When you just the first timer, you were John Mahama, Baby Dikana Kunya Soa, Sabio Akuafo, one who actually won. In fact, a baby a trim, Mahama Bedi Ghana Kunya. Samote ya, Papa na ye friend Mr. Opuni, Ochi Din Ewo Ghana Maimupa. Bonebang ena papa edi ya ena menu suntino. And this amanyo ko free aban yede papa yi ekogina court ni nyina ne se ye wura puni no ye adwuma de man this aban as CEO of Ghana Cocoa Board. Ti said the ne Randy Abi and ye the Ghana Cocoa Board CEO no the same thing. Last time, the first John Dariga Dramani Mahama time no. Dr. Puni di sika ema omo aban ni befra konwa mu no yesi nkonwa se nipa andi sitene kwato Ghana Cocoa Board ano a efen Dr. Opuni no yemfa ne nkotum ema ne beto abonten se Dr. Opuni nokure nyankopon nokure mesemo se Dr. Opuni awia about 270 million US dollars na ye cocoa sika. Sasem no ena Dr. Puni edimu etwe Ghana ban Ghana mera edi Opuni akọ court ahwe ne nsem mu ahu se da bi enokre se papa ne wo case wo se onyi ano emfa nkyere Ghana man John Mahama ba ya enam se the first coming of John Mahama ena sa bone no esi yenti no wafa mra kwam afa kwam boni bi so edi atwa case num edi afiri court say Opuni ho ne asem one said the same thing esan babe repeat biem e wo Ghana Cocoa Board the second coming of John Dariga Dramani Mahama Ghana Cocoa Board ababeda ababaye the center of discussion dentia Ebani saying, and at the Ghana Cocoa Board once again, under John Dariga Dramani Mahama Breso, as a topic of the day. Chrono, Proye, Kankan, ɛna ɛkɔ so wɔ Ghana Cocoa Board hɔ nansi bi ɛte ha ɛna ɛbɛtɔ abɔnten sɛ Randy Abe awo Telechronical woyɛ Telechronics wo ball na yɛ bɔ ana wo team na wo team abɛdi pere afa ball no paase ɛde ama Anthony Yeboah gye ɔde ama Samuel Jan ɔbɔ ne tententen ɛde akɔgo post n'anim wei na yɛ wɔ adwuma yɛ ɔhɔ ne ate sɛ akɔ wei yɛ ɔyɛ to the Telechronical man commentator hwan na hwan yɛdena akɔ akɔto Ghana Cocoa Board so nkɔyɛ adwuma wɔ hɔ within shorter possible time deɛ bɛtɔ abɔnten ne sɛ ɛnam sɛ Randy Abe ɛpɛ kwan bi so ayɛ nneɛma a ɛnsɛm fata wɔ Ghana Cocoa Board hɔ nti no mpanyinfo a wɔyɛ adwuma wɔ Ghana Cocoa Board hɔ mfeɛ bɛyɛ sɛ aduonu aduosi aduoso aduwɔtwe ɛne n'asefoɔ no Randy Abe atumi asa wɔn line apam wɔn mu nyinaa ɛde wɔn akɔ akɔgu fie ɛna wɔasesa nkurɔfoɔ mu nim hwee ɛde ɔmo abɛgu hɔ sɛ ɔmo mmra na ɔmo ne ɔno Randy Abe mɛyɛ adwuma nkurɔfoɔ mu nim kwan a yɛfa so a yɛyɛ cocoa ho adwuma I mean in terms of marketing ɛna Randy akɔsesa wɔn yɛnim baabi ɔkɔfa wɔn firiɛ ɛde wɔn abɛgu Ghana Cocoa Board wɔ sɛ twɛm ɛna ɔmo gu hɔ nkurɔfoɔ yɛ ɔkɔfa ɔmo bɛgu hɔ yi ɔmo nim adwuma na yɛtiatia mu na yɛbisa sɛ deɛ nti a Randy Abe kɔsesa a nkurɔfoɔ ɔmo nim adwuma ɛde ɔmo bɛgu hɔ abere a na yɛwɔ nkurɔfoɔ a ɔmo ayɛ adwuma wei mfie bebree a ɛnam ɛno so nti no ɛnam ɛno kasa yi ɔmo wɔ nimdeɛ ɛwɔ Ghana Cocoa Board hɔ ade nti a yɛpam wɔn sɛ wɔn kɔtena fie na mbom yɛkɔsesa sangwas ɛba ɛbɛgu hɔ sɛ wɔn na ɔmɛyɛ adwuma ne nyinaa ne sɛ job for the boys na deɛ ɛyɛ awɔ mu ne sɛ saa deɛ wɔyɛ Randy Abe yɛɛyɛ no deɛ na edi akyire nyinaa ne sɛ kwan yɛ ɔbɛfa so a ɔbɛtumi abɔ korɔ no ɔbɛtumi ayɛ nnwuma a ɛnsɛ na mfata ɛwɔ Ghana Cocoa Board hɔ a obi biara ntumi nyɛ dɛn ɛnhwɛ n'anim ɛnka nkyɛn ne sɛ papa wodi bɔne deɛ woyɛ ne nsɛm fata o wosɛe ɔman no nti saa na tie deɛ a Randy Abe si ɔkɔsesa nkurɔfoɔ a ɔmo bɛba bɛhyɛ n'ase na ɔmo nim adwuma na ɔno atumi adi bɔne awie sika wɔ kwan a ɔpɛ biara so ɛne ne yɛ na Ghana Cocoa Board deɛ akɔ akɔsie no no ɛna akuafo esu me maame me ankasa me sister baako pɛ na akua afro papa bi mu akɔ aba paa deɛ Randy Abe ɛde ato ne kɔn so sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ɔnyɛ ne sɛ ɔbɛwie sika wɔ Ghana Cocoa Board hɔ enti saa na ɔbɛyɛ deɛ a agye sɛ onya nkurɔfoɔ a ɔno bɛtumi agyina wɔn so ɔno bɛtumi ayɛ dɛn akɔmande wɔn ansa wɔtumi abɔ korɔ no enti sɛ ogya nkurɔfoɔ a na ɔmo hɔ a na ɔmo yɛ adwuma dada ɔmo nim adwuma a ɔmo mmom na yɛ sɛ nkɔmɔ ntenentene Randy Abe ɛwɔ kwan a ɔbɛfa so ɔbɛma n'agyi Ghana Cocoa Board no papa na apam wɔn nyinaa de ɔmo akɔgu fie sɛ ɔmo akwanya adagyeɛ ɛma ɔmo nyɛ adwuma wɔ Ghana Cocoa Board hɔ ɛna ɔmo te fie yɛtua wɔn ka ɛna yɛasesa job for the boys for NDC for boys a ɔmo nim hwee na yɛde ɔmo abɛpee so ɛna wɔn nso yɛtua wɔn ka na deɛ ɛyɛ ne sɛ Ghana aban abu akuafo akyɛ Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo no Nyankopɔn enhyira no pafa akokora baabi a obi a Nyankopɔn nhyira sɛ nyɛ Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo ahumabro bi onya yɛ edema Ghana akuafoɔ na ɔtena ase dwene sɛ kwaya NDC aban ɛfa so ne akuafoɔ tena yɛ no ensɛm fata enti yɛmpɛ kwan bi so na yɛma kokɔ adwuma no ɛmɛyɛ fɛ ɛmɛyɛ dɛ na ɛmɛyɛ encourage say obi bɛkɔ afuom ɛnam wei so ma yɛwura Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo brɛ so 2017 na yɛtɔ koko bag baako 450 Ghana cedis na Nando bɛfiri akonnwa so na yɛtɔ koko no 3 point something unbelievable unprecedented in 8 years. Or to cocoa about 500%. 500 or 700%, and a papa tomb for 450 to 300 and something, 3,000 and something. Tishem 505 or to cocoa 500% just in 8 years. Or tomb or the scanny be car home. And I to trans who say Ghana yet you Ube Bobra, the Yamamanum catcher and say, this is sit down when your baby atra, when your baby do theatre, what to me free owner of yourself. It's another who said, Ghana Kuafonina. So Motio Moko no you know Munyesika. Apart from some Momano, Bebrena, Omo Prince, a woman mutim, Bebre, some bet to me sit down. No, and you know, Joa, when your baby, Edward Theatre. And Nando can say, Mabua Quia form or more to me achieve their aims. Our medical form. Can a queer for emba copan say or mamma a bit to me as you are woman. No more baba yet ni particular society. No, it is a mobile. And I'm the first next year war a DB a cocoa scholarship. I know send Kayam Fama Ghana cocoa queer forma. Nanso when this ya buying na onye sadia na ochema ono ankasa ne ho ne nkrofo ne namfofo. Na na do buy na o say said ye be ya akuafo nso no betumi ama omoma akọ school no ntino. O de ade bi abaye fa ni free education a ebeboa ama Ghana akuafo nyina nso no motim de omoma akọ school. Entina na do to koko num esanso te wombreso as a fathers of a family. One fancy why because I say free education no for everybody in the country. But Ghana koko akuafo especially no o person first get it to be into wa sa sika no sabio ye de be boa Ghana koko akuafo ma omo be wie SS na omo be ye omo adwene so omo pese omo nto aso enko wonanim. Pacho timi yepa. We no nem hyehyɛ ya yewura. Na nado dankwa kufuado. Ehyehyɛ de to ho so de bebo akuafo. Oto won koko no ma won price ne course no. Osanso yi adwumadin bia na da won so ofie as a responsible fathers. Some be omoma school. Na nado am fancy ho. Na nado sand project fufuro ba ya sa project no wana won koko nua na ye koko nua dada no Ghana ban na si koko ma eswa de ba wo site ebedua edua bode ne no ba ye wo ma na eye wo dia abra wamfa wan peswa anka ho. Yewra na no danko akufa do ba ye nhyehyɛ dada bia na yewura je kufu aya ato ho a ye fa ne koko max spray enye spray koko max spray na do ba o sambe revival saade wei a na koko kuani bi o man no mu bia no ikopompe na fuo so se de bekum akate e de bekum emo ahodo a na omo eden ekon editia koko ni nyini from Entenado wanto nkoko no nko amu o. Koko no wantum keke na mbom no osan bo modern wanto koko no mu kwa na mo osan bo modern eboa akuafo no oba won sika dodo no na ote won breso ewa fuom sika wode beto enro edia spray ukoko bia awu aw pese won yeden won sign en revive no Nanado will send people to come. Ye do cocoa no na si cocoa ne aso de akoma nkuafo so omunyi nua. Enye no nko. Apart from that, no. Yewura Nanado danko Akufo-Addo hu say akuafo pese wonye den won no cocoa. Wonye sika wodi bi kwa akosi dan. Enti ehu behia say cocoa kuani ton ni cocoa bag na e wo say emma na kwanya na ontumi nto cocoa enka ne say cement bags ahodo ana sentence ahodo. In fact Nanado to cocoa no make kodru 3 million po 30,000 say 30 million so yeah 30 million, that is 3,000 Ghana cedis. Sabre no na yesi cocoa ba yemfa say yesi cement ba ko na ne bo eda sen eda yemfa so the 100 Ghana kurampo na oton cocoa ba ko na yema sabio 3,000 100 Ghana hodo no say na what 3,000 mu 30 utimi gina won nan mu etoko cement bags mako 30 at once, assuming that a bag of cement was 100, which I disagree. Assuming that a bag of cement was 100 Ghana, which is not the truth. At the same time, no, na in same packet baako at the 400 Ghana cedis. And now uton cocoa bag baako who to me ton cement 30 santon chense ababe say 34 36 packet at the year juma. That is what we call a good governance, intervening to support the vulnerable people. Na Nanado ye nyuma we nyina no na enkurasefo no te akire ho eye dede se Nanado abu Ghana kuafo Nanado eye nipa bone Nanado koton Ghana koko akuafo koko no wa brochira na wa chesika no mu miensa na ono afamienu na de ba kwa bra Ghana fo. Nanado kata nani a Papa Odikan in the history of our republic. Ultimately, say who say ye can good quality of cocoa in the whole world. Ivory Coast, Ghana, number 1. Ye can the biggest producers of cocoa. Ivory Coast is number 1. Ghana is number 2. Ye tibe. It is an etia. Ye unko near any Ivory Coast for enka kamum na yentumim any day. And demand more payment from the white man. Nanado legacy any de make the way. Nanado na oni wa la asa watara etimika omo bo mu eko international market koka say kwanya ye fa so sika ye de tua cocoa bag bo baako e wo Ghana man mu no emfata nse enti e wo say aban no ntimi ye bibi emfa ho. Ti say international market wo say entumi nye bibi emfa ho. Ene na enam so a ema cocoa bo epaja course no say boom ema Ghana din kuani etimi toni cocoa bag baako pe etumi di gina so to cement maako aduasa at once. But akromfo no te akire omo pesika wie di no omo sisa sika no sha omo na omo bomba ye ne yie yeti ato forcing asem ato forcing e kan no parliament. Asem ato forcing e kan wo campaign grounds. Asem ato forcing dampa ye vete no to become the finance minister of the republic no ogina ho bie na no kan say obaye de obetumi bia na watua Ghana cocoa for anya hwe 70% of the international market no the cost no what's international market the cost na ebepa no 70% of it will goes into the farmer's pocket. And a Ghana for you to ɛna Ghana kuafoɔ yɛ allow yɛ ho ɛna ɔmo de daadaa yɛ ɛna yɛ so Mahama is the hope maame Monica Memwakwaba ɛna Ghanafoɔ so yɛ so mu especially cocoa farmers yɛ so mu ɛna Mahama bɛba Mahama ba ɔbɛyɛ ne yie kuadwuma bɛyɛ dɛ yɛbɛtɔ cocoa yɛbɛspray mu cocoa andisifoɔ kaa yɛ ama ne duru sɛ ɔmo se Ghana kuafoɔ ɛmfa apaafoɔ ɛwɔ mu cocoafoɔ mu biem Ghana abanya yɛ NDC lead by John Dramani Mahama ɔmo ɛna bɛfa bade o sɛ nhwɛsofoɔ sɛ hwanyo ama ɔmo ayɛ adwuma wɔ Ghana cocoa kuafoɔ ɔmo akuafoɔ ɔmo afuo ahodoɔ mu ɛna yɛgye tom but yɛwerɛ firi sɛ Ghana cocoa kuafoɔ yɛwerɛ firi sɛ NDC is also always NDC before yɛwura J Kufuor muntie me yie pa yɛwerɛ firi sɛ before J Kufuor Jerry John Rawlings was hunting cocoa farmers in the country. Utu cocoa foma ni abawura miani sojafoɔ ni kita sekan. Obi afe na odo cocoa eye below 6 below 8 years bia and this ya breso during Jerry John Rawlings breso wo hwa ni abawura wafuo mi ye ba ye betwitwa cocoa nyina fam. Meme say hwiwi also area Ghana cocoa kuafoɔ refiri yɛ sɛ nkurɔfoɔ wei ɔmo mpɛgɛ akuafoɔ asɛm yɛwerɛ firi sɛ mpuntudwuma a yɛwura J Kufuor mpuntu a J Kufuor de ba cocoa kuayɔ adwuma mu from 2000 to 2008 yɛn nkurɔfoɔ ba yɛ their first time no ɔmo gyae ma bibia sɛ yɛ ɔmo antoa so yɛwerɛ firi sɛ NDC brɛ so cocoa scholarship na yɛmfa ma cocoa akuafoɔ ma otɔn na yɛde ma nkurɔfoɔ bi ma ɔmo yɛ NDC foɔ yɛwerɛ firi wei nyinaa ɛna yɛtena ase na yɛgye too mu sɛ ɛyɛ nɔkorɛ sɛ John Dramani Mahama ɛba bɛdi Ghana konwa na so ba bɛdi so a ɔno mom na ɛbɛyɛ ntoto yama Ghana cocoa kuayɔ ayɔfɛ ayɔ klabɛhɛ pacho tie mi yie pa yɛhyɛ da tena ase ɛma amanfo tumi ɛhwɛ spread this lies into our ears sɛ nipa obetumi agye Ghana man ɛne Ghana kuayɔ ama Ghana kuayɔ abɛyɔ klabɛhɛ ɛne John Dramani Mahama ɛne ne yɛ nnɛ yɛse opama mmoa a ɔmo wura mu nyinaa ɔmo nyinaa nwu jata ɔnwe wura ada ɛmmoa ɔmo wura mu a jata betumi akye ɔmo awe ɔmo nyinaa nwu wɔ kwaeɛ no mu jata ɔnkɔgyina wura ho nkeka nwe da te sɛ enipa binom so ne ɔmo ban no ɔmo ntumi nsesa mfiri ho da ɛma ne nyɛ yie konko akyi konkofoɔ no ɔmo bɛdi akonnwa no a ɔmo ntumi ɛnyɛ ade papa bi a ɛmfa ma yɛman no da mpono deɛ yɛyɛ ato hɔ a ɛyɛfɛ dada no ɔmo ba bɛsɛe no deɛ yɛato hɔ dada no nkurɔfoɔ no ba a ɔmo hyɛ da ɛbɛprane ɛbɛdwene ɛbɛfa kwaeɛ ɔmo bɛfa so a ɔmo bɛtumi de asɛ de yɛahyehyɛ ato hɔ na ayɛ ada bi duru a na ndisifoɔ ka sɛ Ghanafoɔ deɛ wodeɛ ma kɔm ne ɔmo kakra sɛ kɔm de wɔn a ɔmo bɛsesa wɔn nsa no. That is what the NDC is doing, brother. And no near Juma and you are man this for or more yo. My comedy one on the crab brewana. They will see you as the savior. Come anyone. Come the one can say. Now pick a crabby the brewana. I'm who to say be a one savior. That is the way that the NDC is moving now. Now there, yanko tie Ghana kuafo so a omusu e de kire John Darega Dramani Mahama any randia be yaba na ato aso.
Cooperative. Mayor President. Na if you say ni atwam ye hu ni abai da. Say me mediate 1 year. And so me say adwuma na be ye say me ni adwuma bi a me ye. Eti me ye ku adwuma na makoto mi koko na abusome nan untu ameka e de na opese me abrewa midi se adwuma be na me ye na me di eti me slaban adisebe ni adi tumi ya pani chaw o ka se bla twam no beto koko no sister wanye kakra ni adwuma ye de yaje atom na kakra yaje atom so na wo fesika yi mayen na ye be ni denti adisebe ani ye de to aben ye sre no Yes, no. Onya maya no komo di ya matitifie. Ya matitifie o me nana no atitifie. Sabi nya sika ma no anu akọ. Ete me slaba ni sampa ni chaw. Ni die kwa so mi di nya me pa ni chaw. Wo hu ya mo bo. Na ya sika no hia kakra ma ya wate. Ya fu hu afu. Me metumi ado. Metumi no. Ukuta pa ni a oso okọ gold. Etu amedo. And no Mahama back on yes 120. Mimi will be na acquire. Eti ade srade and you to any.
Kit and kitame no. Mo hwe so a obie ni wa yatuaka. Ni nyina e wo kam. Sese me wo faase a me hwe no. Otifie o cover city. Otifie sika ni ho a me de ma akwala ne de akọ. Eti e besra aban. Si sika no
November. Dabe na to.
November. Na ewo so no. Mo hwe. Ya hyehyɛ. November ane yaye. Eti esra aban no, ye sika no won fa ma yen. Esanse ye ni dwuma bia di o. Ye nkura na ase ha ye wo no. Ye dwuma ni koko. Nyame anim ni aban dada wo free so no. Obeto ye koko mu. Ema ye se dollar wo soro. Enso ni yetumi to niema edi ye ho ye ma school fees ni ye jese ye nya ene mass prayer ni ye no ye nya biem ene ukoto aduro akobọ okoko a baako 150 200 ene sika na ye di ni ye ato aduro no ye nya ame ye koko no sese akate no eseya na omo se koko no ti ye besra aban se won kai se yensu ye nipa omo te ho ana omo de omu didi enom yesu ye nya bi ani yedi anom ye ne ema ene ye wo faase nom ye sire omo nkai se omo age yen omo ba be dada yen wo beto obi to koko e ma ye 3100 mosi mo ba me 6000 obi se 7000 ye ni age am yakoto aba amamo ene koko the price amode to so e be kan ho no e 500 cedis ana amode be kan ho ana e ko 36000 3600 eno so a mutumi ntua sese mo de asi wo se ada se ye beti koko so ana ye beto so me ye ma meto kwa me nkroma wo mo a me beto wo mo ye papa Lawrence no mo twam o mampanin kufo no na nado atamel nom koko a ye beto so no ye ti se ya ti koko so da eti on hwe ye na wanti koko no so na emomu ba bia sika ne hye no omkofa ye sika metua ye ka ne ye ma ye wo faase ne ye nananum no yintumi hwe om school ni bi na ba bia omo hye no omo nso ye ma no atumi akoduru hobi na daase ye nso ye nye ye tamafo nti ye besere mo ma ye John Mahama esedu nkatia randia bi o ye sports minister and na wo se wona o ye koko board chief executive wo koko kura woni mu wuram ane wa hu koko ane ye de wa beto so and na hwe ba bia modi aba ba wie ti esere wom amomfa yesika ma ye eno ne ye hwehwe awuni ye no ne kura nyame anim odi hwamo anyam ko odi hwamo odi kwafo nyina hwamo na sesa no be ne dia ya kwafo na kansa ne kokko kwafo no ye kokko no asase no ye de mama galamsefo don want to because that's can move do since this called my no nti sana itete ni afa ya adwen se ye ne Mahama ana ye ne aba ne nyina no ye nton koko ye kokofo biom ye beton ye ma nyina ma galamsefo ya ta se no
if in November nenda otiwe mato koko $250 aminye scam out me sorry farmers net tete me ho saa my ejima we for 20 years me witness we be before say ya to koko pa na aban tuaka eye me wanwa amanfo tata me mitimi nda honorable me sira me bukoto de pa chew famasem we ko parliament na ko kama me na aban release scam me company na mo so first scan mam na me ntua me farmers no say ne omo ye no omo high 15 November koko $1,000 ana me dia call me LBC mo ntua meka me sira wa
baba se adwuma baya na abetimi aye enso ya ire ho se ye be yakua ade ahwe ye daache ade ahwe ye ma daache ye ma ko school no ma ba fie me ka kire ko school pass eno abetra fie o se ma ko mo de me me ba mo se wa fon e ko mo de no sika nyina kakam ade ne ye nye Mahama da ye se uyo kokoko kuani a se wa asase so akodo bi ka ho dua kokoko na no so oye twamene opeso dada ye tro sheda yes ano ene ya donfo ye dua kokoko opeso betua ye ka ade na oye sa so ne yire ne ma omu didi na denti na oma ye ho kire ye akuafo ye ho kire ye nia oye no ohwe ye esansa enipa ya no enhire wom enum ye wom ohwe ne ya nnome no esansa abufo traso edenom ye eba se o be ye adwuma na edu anwum na wasa unya aduane di no na wo de ye fupan na wakoda na wo ma na o mada o ma nu so na o mada ada na o yesa na si nanado enya nanado nyame o hira no na ma ne nyincha esansa na odi akuafo ho nanado kasa se do ni akuafo be kasa no na wakoma kura to yam tama na otu ya 3001 no na ye penisa esansa ebi ankam wanada yan tesa wantete yan na bom omaye nkuransha sanko no na da so waso a anka ye do akire osina nado eda akuafo onu mo no oyo dadafo eti so opesa ye body dimpa wasesa ne suban
waja mi nkolenum ba akoko pass osima ekom dem wa be fie ba ko won kan ko be to school minya stand to school fees 50 December ye be school onko e otifie wo ma wa adwuma mu nyina aye basa mo hwe mi sanki tuai na mdi do koku ase na mdi ye sei abafum sabre me sika nyina akamu ampo mra na ado ho oye bru ni mayen oto edro mayen sese ni nyina aboyen no kwasam sam ko hwe mi koko na mo wura ba ho mansprein aboyen okunafo na msika nso akam and mo me gina bia me gina mo kan kire ne say yesre no ofa yesi camera ye ne afa ntwa ye ma na ye mobo
ma e wo school I say teacher school fees nyade de baba ko be ko form try say ya practical sika sam nyina akoka PC for no mo nyesika yade emfa ma ye ntini aba de affect ye nyina kuafo nyina aka ye nyina ye bodi hu dwuma ama abanya aso ate say e kana omode ye no ye hia yesika na ye de ahwe ye ma wo school a nke be boy pa.
Is it say no man omo school just say so omo ofia na someone
ba ko pele metima nya sika ama na kono ko bo besia na wo ko nua no ko besia kra na no so e dan obi na be de no benya bi e de ama wo nti akwa ho kyeremu pa nti me mamie no kwa do mo ofie ba ko pele metima ma no ko school
na on
enti abusiamfo se mu nyina mahu abato na yekoto ye no esomfaso no ebi enie ebiri say Ghana koko akuafo for the first time in our history the adru ne say e was say omonko strike ansana yetua wo nkoko sika e di amawo asemwe da penta enebi asiye maimi emanwe ebi sida. In fact, se utie ensema koko akuafo yi nyina na omo ka de omo ka nyina ne se yewura na na do aban eye den ebo ne homodene pa e ma won enso ene hwede asie de asie ne se kana aban se oni sika odi betua Ghana koko akuafo won koko ka ama won enti Ghana koko akuafo afi wei omo di bronya mpo no sabio womo anya sika amfa ni bronya me kai se Ghana man mu ye ba be di bronya saa bre no ena koko akuafo omo timi kire won gina bre koko akuafo mo ye papanom me use koko akuafo so de bebre no wo ma eduru bronya bra na omo tumi nya sika eye den ede etontade ema wo ma omo ton nam ehera transidi to say abusua because the whole year no they are always moving around working hard. Now for the first time in the history and I'm Mahama bam bonny or the other two Ghana my communtino Ghana koko akuafo afiwe wonom antumi ani wo bronya said the wouldn't in the beer because yes sikani ho a edi betua Ghana koko akuafo ka na nso na randi abe papa na onim koko ni dua said the city papa na onim bode ani kwadu emu ensonsono ye ete Ghana Cocoa Board Office ana auto cars ahodo cars akese na we ye di piaka ema na ye yele such manner of doing ye di chichiro man ema na ye yele Ghana Cocoa akuafo nso mu tua mo ho bo di aban ye ma mu nyina di MPP aban eye ede ma mu nyina chino motimi kata money yi ni bonu aye just because what ya promise mo say ye betua mo ka mo abra na mo nan ensi bibia so ede ne ye ne eno ene ye ne next time and this ni ba na ye campaign promiser he will sit down and analyze actually if he can do it or not. Yanto asuna yanko yanim on another topic. Abusua enye cocoa farmers nko na esu. Enye cocoa farmers nko na esu. Ghana nurse fo nso esu pa. Ghana nurse fo aye adwuma bese emfie bese bosome du baako 11 good months. Omon sanka kapre emfiri Mahama abaimu yenti omo na yeba ifiri hosuba ni abekasa afa ho
to asuma ebusia enkomo ni bi wonu mo a areho ebi mu ayare ebi mu nso according to nurses na teacher for na nkasa na ebi mu cry then ojina ho we trash na we wu ebi mu nso ayare a omo hia sika de ato eduro nanso esanse yenti omo kanti no omo ntimi then enya sika emfa hwe omo ho enti yabeko na yakɔhwɛ videos ni bi na yasa ba
Anum se so ahun minu anum sebi enye sa na mo pom ho ababon ni nature ne de enyankopon hyehyeye waye adwuma bosom dumiensa nsan ka ketia enti senka su Mahama busuani na enti kwade ne befa sa highway anansa su se atofa se busuani na ankwade ne befa sa highway se obi ba sebi nani afira na so asi na mom wa fantitie ma be o kyerɛkyerɛ ni omugina anum se omombakura no amon sresre enso aye adwuma bosumi dumiensa aketia ba kunko nsan kan ene no ye ba na ni bre so se omo pa omo nche ka ye firi anko na omo nche ka dia ye da ministry of finance ye ko be dia ye sta fight no ye ba je ye sta fight no ye ba je ye firi na e firi ati 1 city, sir, we've not gotten 1 city. 13 good months. In 13 good months. And whenever you come, you tell us you are in our shoes. You can never be in my shoes. You don't know what I'm going through. I'm teaching enough. And
I had a condition that I have to undergo surgery. Even as I'm talking to you now, I still have my, yes, I've done surgery just last month. As you can see, I still have the wound here. So that is why I'm quiet. I'm not able to control myself. Drugs have been prescribed for me to go and buy as a health worker. I'm not able to afford to buy those drugs. As of now, the wound is smelling. What am I supposed to do as a health worker? I've been at work for 10 months and I've not been paid. And now I'm having a condition. How do you expect me to go and render service to the good people of Ghanaians?
Yeah, how is your family taking this?
Hungry. We are 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 dying. We are dying. We are dying. We are dying. We are
We are just pleading on the government to pay us. We've been working for 10 good months, no salary. Personally, my rent expired in 15th August. I've not been able to pay. My landlord is always asking, when are you paying? I'll be like, they'll pay us, please give me time. I stay at Spantine. I wake up Kolebu. I take transportation, 42 cities to work every day. How do they expect me to get that money to come to work? You go to work, doctors will write, check patients' vitals, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, do RBS, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You bath patients, you tend patients every 4 hours. I'm doing all this just for the minister to tell me that he appreciates the work that I'm doing. Appreciation, babe? I don't understand. Which form of appreciation? How can somebody work and you tell the person I appreciate you for 10 good months? I can't stand it. I'm owing rent. What should I do to be able to pay my rent? I don't understand. They should pay us. Enough is enough. I'm tired. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. They kept me rent at 250. What the crowd? I don't know. You can't even ask somebody for money. The moment you test somebody, the person will be like, "You are coming for money," and the person will be giving you excuses. And then to be
Yes, please. Yes, please. It's 150 cities. 150. Yes, please. Every week, 150. Oh, yeah, it's my pocket. It's my pocket. Yes, it's my pocket. I keep it everywhere I go, any day, anytime, any second. It's me everywhere I go. Yes. It's a problem to say. Oh, I'm a woman. Then you can add it. Add it. You can make a man show me what I like. I'll do something, I'll say something that gives to me. If you have a bomb, so I don't come back money, I would say I'm going to because it's been 10 months of work without pay, and you have been paying every month, you have been reading, and it's not fair. After it's not really fair. We wanted import to serve us, not for the us to serve you. So we are just giving them to give us our 10 months of salary. That's why we are here. If not, we are not living the midst of our lives. Assistant with the Senyami. Master from negotiate dynamic, and the Mopana down.
Time before you play us. Our brothers about 3 of them are dead already. There's 1 year work and a person. Myself here, I have been a victim. Because of the same way if we are the yes, how many times we expect us to survive? How do you expect us to survive? And you can't give us timeline. 10 good months is the 2 days. How do you expect us to continue working? Yeah, play up again, yes, yeah, play. You can do something about it. 10 good months is for 2 days. How do you expect us to continue? Our landlords are chasing. We need to pay light bill. We need to pay water bills. We have families to feed. How do you expect us to survive? And you can't give us a timeline. After the numerous accounts, the numerous petitions we have brought to your office. Abba, is that where we are all dead? Do something about this. Abba, it's so easy. 10 big months. We have families to take care of. Our mothers, our parents took care of us. And as it stands, even if they're sick, we can't even afford their medical bills. After taking care of us for how many years? We went to school, came out, sat in the house for 4 good years. And after recruiting us, you have made us work for 10 good months. And you can't give us a timeline as to when you pay us. How do you expect us to survive? Is that not wickedness? Tell me if you can hear us. We voted for change. We didn't vote to suffer. We voted for change. We didn't vote to suffer. Why are you letting us suffer this way? We have family. We have kids to take care of. Appa.
JM! We are not slaves. JM! We are citizens. Ato! We are not slaves. Ato! We are citizens. We are not slaves. We are citizens. We are not slaves. We are citizens. We are not slaves. Ato! We are citizens. Ato! We are not slaves. JM! Pay us now. JM! Pay us now. JM! Pay us now. Ato! 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 Pay us now.
Enti Ato pay us now. And the way na ye Ghana nurse for amonyoma omoto Ato forcing Ato pay us so Ato pay us. Miyaba, do you remember during the campaign of John Mahama? Oko training nursing training college bim. Otram and a Ghana training nursing training for at to Dinachi. We want to see you. We want to see him. And a Dariga training Tifri car na pampem and a J microphone. No say nemayemo rap. And a John Dariga here nursing training for Yanim say we are gonna come and we are going to make you live better. We are gonna come and we're going to make things better for you. We know your sufferings. And when we come, we are going to make sure we do automatic posting after nursing training school. John Mahama Jina Okanchile Ghana for say we are going to come to build to complete agenda 111 said yebeya yebe to me apostle nurse for from the nursing training to the hospital. Agenda 111 hospital. John Mahama Bekanchile Ghana nurse for Ghana nursing training for medicine Mwakwaba. Say, so no bedi Ghana ko nwa as president uye nurse nia uwie suku uko suku wie so ye nurse apepepe yebe ma hospital ba bia mwakwa akoye adwuma. John Mahama ba ye sembe gina utwa ntro de kire Ghana nursing training and teacher training for say the allowances are not MPP are buying them more iswa but ono de oba or be pajem na wamana konanim na bosumi bia no obia na lawa ebe kwa koto na council. Me abema to cut things short. Ene nurse for no one ma na wo ye adwuma dada no ye ntua won campo na campese ya dwene se ebinuma wie nursing training na e wo se ye mpe baabi emfa omo enkohye na omunya adwuma nye. Nursing training for na ye kwa dada won se omo ewie school pe Mahama ban papa ebe postu won automatic posting system no omo senior for omo ye adwuma wo hospital dada no yentimi ntua wonka bosome du baako ebi bosome edu miensa ebinom bosome du nine afe baako ene bosome mienu ena yentua wonka enye fede se obi oye adwuma as a nurse wo hospital ede ni operational yaye na kuro no nyanwuye edinam awiem eye demonstration ede atia abanya oba ya obeba no o share bosse oba no oba be ma the working condition of the nurses no aye papa bro nurse ni o ontumi nya sika no de akotonuro ede asane ho yade sika o de beto nuru asane yade na eda ne so enuru a doctor twira ma no se onkotom famra ne onfan onnom no mfansa ne ho yade no John Darigadra mani Mahama ba ma kohwini se ontua na katua ma na papa na tumi akotonuro ano ama ne ho asan enso bra na opposition no na ye promise nurses nursing trainees doctors na ye promise won say ye NDC for na say ye ba ye betumi ama won adwuma ye mu aya akona ye fe ene ne ye ne John Mahama twa nurse for nso si enye koko pharmacy nko a the nursing association in the country feel betrayed, feel scammed by John Darigadra mani Mahama. Now, me say nurse for muhu ya hi. Ai osikani kojoko achi se meka menke se ebinom. Ai osikani se meka menke se obinom. Nye omu nyina. Osi se meka menke se obinom. Enti nurse for no binom muhu ya hi. Mo se fata. Si yedi sum yedi sa you are the right people to be punished this way because you underestimated the incompetency of John Dariga and you underestimated say John Dariga ye trofo. Once why you musi once obe jina mo nan so di ntro kire mo amoto abama no owie ye no wadan chidi a kire mo. And now the danko kuford bedi Ghana a konya so nurse for doctor for your working condition and yet was papa we paja mumu and nurse for a teacher for you to on a katium. Even the nursing training allowance was coming. Na ye baba to aba na ubehuna nurse ni akwa kwaji the yen can say the alawano no akwaji alawano no de bejina camera nim na okasi ne bo alawane de maje na nso no mento ene ye den ene kosi sei de kosi ne se ene de ode beto aduane adi kura mpo no ayetena ma wo ye ntua wo kana wanya bi de ato aduane adi enye se ye tua wo ka de sika chewo adwuma a wo no waye as a nurse ni ewo doctor ewo hospital mu no pa ban we say ono hu the importance of your service enti on tua wo ka opa akoshepo but bra yenya na nadoa na assembly a nurse teacher for beka na ya de dana koma so na ya de a odi ho yawo na ode to the table so epe enhihye e de solve no mukodi like to abatia adenya because of promise na yesi de wu jaima na akon wunim na de eba wonsam na wunim ene ne ene because papa we no enye se Ghana for munim no yenim no dada 212 216 John Darigadra mani Mahama nko timija bad luck ye kan nursing training for no more we training college nke betima employ mo 2014 2015 and 2016 wamfa ba kokura juma yewura na nando danko akufo de 2017 otumi fa sankrofo we nyina juma bege tumi trase ma John Daregane ne nkrofo eden troni nkontompo edisivu ye eden tro ani nkontompo edada yen twen ya adwene kosi so se de kita ye nenye na mbom ne promise o promise ye no enu mom ne pa ebeye papa e de ama enene wo na wusu uti ni suo uti etiem se ye ntia usika ma wakatua o wankasa wakatua wadwuma wa ye osi ntia wo ka no age se ukonam abonten koye dede ansa na ye tua wo ka ene so kura no wanhwe yi a ebedu se ye tua wo ka no na ye tua wo ka efa bosome miensa bosome nan pacho tiemiye pa yahu bi pen ene nti ayeka Mahama nkwa ne tirima nurse fo ne teacher fo kwa school mu eko kira ade emfia miensa eno achi no tua won ka bosome miensa eno abie na eba besi sa nurse fo we ye mana koya ni mebedu ba bi no ne yesi okay ne bra beji mfia bosome miensa akatua kom de why mere obey ne den na wakwa akoje tese nkrofo yi adwene do mutum nyina so mo bediga na man so se kwa mbefa so ombebo apro kwa mbefa so ombese your mind na konanim kwa mbefa so ombetumi de amamfo na adwene di agro omode amamfo na adwene bebo totas e wo mpoano. That is the reason why these people always come in power. Because me bisa say na me not here. Tell me something good that papa will buy a wire. A mama can't tell me dollar to city. Any achievement. A mama can't tell me inflation. Say inflation e wo man no matter aba form. Now the cost of living e da so ejina ba bi ejina emfaso ni so. So what dollar so aba form na enema bo ba bi ejina na ejina. I don't understand the significant or the importance of having the dollar reduced if actually the condition of life remain how it is and the cost of living. Et woman fan to etimu say papa na yefan John Daregane Mahama no oni bibi titiro bia de maye na ma wo se Ghana fo na yentimi mo ya bosso no mu yenhye ni mu yenhye ya bosso mu ma aye no mu nsuo ntwan yo 2028 say yewura Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia ebetumi aba bedi president ansa na man no timi pagya ni mu afrim pempen so bi de akoba bi because the nanado ni Dr. Bawumia ye na ene enka ye wonyansafo ni nimdifo di anima nke betumi pagya o man no de akona nim no sankrofo we do mu di so mfaso no ne. They are not thinking about reinvesting the sources or the resources no monya after na do Dr. Bawumia o amamu mu no ense nkomo be shem I create more opportunities there amanfo no omumbo mete ho e na omudi adwuma na MPP aban ye no omote ho na omudi so mfaso enti ye chadi ase ni nyina ye ne ene ne ye ne enti saa na ebekwa enkopem se 2028 no yewura Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia ebetumi asan ababedi akonya na no ebetumi abaso a na ejina menu nyina yeso de ebeye de ebeka kwanya ebefa so ebe highlight the Bawumia agenda in public. That is what is going to support us to make this thing happen. Abusian for my BM phone lines na tum. Utumi frɛ na wachre wadwen. Kama. E won sama ye de ebre we ho. Me science su bi na ma che se me din ene Mr. Mafu ha Ras Media GH. Na mama me fa John Mahama nsem ento ha na me twense obi be frɛ no. I want to make this thing clear. Me na ma metete se nsem bi no mo koso Sempuru mu nkoso a amamfo ahye ase ka Canada Japan 2028. Canada Japan's to go independent. Ene na asefo. Asamba akwa mepese menka. Na wa wutie mi a woyɛ MPP ni bia. Fatu ukoto dwem ene se. Se Canada Japan nim na oko 2028 as independent. The political career ebe say where so waban eti akonwam na wote wo ho efiri waman yoko no ma ene na udin agidin o ene na bia botum dia take credit bi for just some 2-3 months na asa na se waban ti opposition na wote wo ho firi party ma ene dia kura po yete se nsu onyu no yehwie ugu ha bia nte wo ho nka na se nipa unim owu a eya na wahwe na se unim owu a eya ahwe na se Kennedy onte ne ho ase na o se bi obema asofofo ene nkora binom nkora binom monte politics akse ene be man advice on what to do after this primaries na odi achi se okọ sebi okojira independent so nimu wu a onhwe na so opeso hu se na wie ye besi aya odi onhwe ala nchamanten ala nchamanten po de enka ne se ofiri party no na party ne wo power nti anya hwe no onya yenka se some accreditations amanfo hu no obeye issue of the nation emo bia ka ne ho asem na wo ken na ye wo opposition wo te ho a e se said ye hwe nsiye ehwa na obehu awie ye ehwa na obehu se asofofo no promises ne prophecy a mo keka no se wo so unya ngintum se ye kontompo dia and no they try and see. That is what you will see. What test na ehwa na obehu odo ho ekoso person ko independent ehwa na obehu na yenim se amanfo binom pesika ne bia di enti nkomhya ahodo na ebeba na me de ye me ya ne se ade wo so person mra me di MPP anim adentia o se o pese MPP win election 2028 yakwa akoto aba no the democratic dispensation say majority carries the vote enti ni padodo ndo obeka no ene na ye the final decision enti yakwa akoto aba no MPP dodo na say omo mpew na momba omia na omo pe no say no kwese wo Canada Japan your intention of contesting the premise was to make it possible. Said the MPP betimi awin election 2028 dia. Ene papa sa energy na kita wa na odi campaign no. For sa energy ne be support Dr. Bawumia. Na yen win 2028. Abusia Kennedy a Japan must to forget independent candidature in the 2028 elections. He must also forget about I'm going in union with Alancha Mantin and other smaller parties. Unforget it. The only thing Canada Japan can do to position himself again in the political arena as a man worthy and say, or didn't Hubert John Bawumia Obe accepted Bawumia as the leader. Now Obe pushing him Crawford to do the same job or more for the party to win the election. Because one, a woman second in Japan, the message and all the name for a party premises, for the party premise, that those messages were not the right message for that contest. Asempa na meka chiro. Na asemu da bia na meka. na me ka say messages na can Japan de nam no enye say enye campaign message o a campaign message but they are not for premise campaign because premise campaign no the structuring of your party yeah the issue party no amana nye jinabre and the content and papa ne de nam no that they were not meant for that rare elections anayeko but then some na papa ne kano some of them can be used in Dr. Bawumia's campaign 2028 to win election. And a better second in the Japan be raise the matter on going on campaign grounds in the name of the MPP and talking about those things that he was talking about. Directing the Ghanaian youth and the Ghanaian popularity say this MPP government, when it is done, that he can come, or when it becomes the governor of the party now, of the country now, these ideas of Kennedy Japan will be prioritized by the MPP government through the leadership of Kennedy Japan in a particular sector of a ministerial position or of any type, supervisor of such agenda. And that will make Dr. Bawumia's campaign become more easy. Because said say almost 14 good regions. Every constituency Dr. Bawumia na win here. On na win your constituencies are hold on. Dr. na win in. So people are already on ground that they are willing to work with Dr. Bawumia. And if Kennedy Japan decide to work together with the leader, Dr. Bawumia, then Kennedy Japan's political career will be rise again, and he'll be honored for such what them call complimenting Dr. Bawumia on the campaign grounds. But adeɛ baako a papa wei yɛ bɛsɛe ne din ɛwɔ politics mu Ghana man mu ɛne sɛ ɔbɛma asɔfofoɔ akɔhwifoɔ no ɛbɛdaadaa no sɛ ɔnkɔ independent na ɔbɛwɛn ne ɔyɛ saa pɛ na ɛsɛ biribiara a collapse. His political career will actually collapse. Kennedy Japan political career will go and will finish there. Enti Kennedy Japan supporters na monama. Kennedy Japan supporters na monama. Mo ye dede. No can no vote. Why no? Hey, munya dia mo ye no. Munya Jimmy, mamin kan sinipi. So ye MPP ni ba. Utum ko jamba bi kese no can no vote. Apra yako election. Yato aba. Ama your supporter. Nipa na wo support no. Your leader, your candidate. Adamant say everything was free and fair. What the hell comes into your mind to go out there and say no can no vote? Oh yeah, there. Bibi hauti. Man can no vote. Munya papa no manning reason as a human being. Munya no manning reason as an old member of the party. Munya papa no manning reason in the interest of the party. Now munya is somebody pesemin kuminya style of thinking no more force papa ne de wura ni team. Munya no manning free to choose where he wants to go. Munya say mo conduct mo who in a manner say maybe you guys are more Kennedy Japan than the Kennedy Japan himself. That will not help the man. Yakwa can see worry. What din kunim and ye brebia na wiase aye ba ye ubedin kunim. But sometimes it is a responsible man who stand in front of these situations Now, odd admit to have been loosed or has been a loser can say, I don't accept. I don't accept this. I don't accept that. Oh yes, sir. They say, "Oh, cool." Because a responsible man always accept decisions, sir. And collective decisions, sir, made by different bodies together. You can't contest a decision, a democratic. Oh yes, sir. That is it. Your truthfulness as a man, no, reduces its value in the eyes of the people. So that is why I'm saying, say, mona ma mo no votes. And I can Japan munya sana mo say papa no. That is what I want to tell you. Abuja for me doing any Mr. Manfo here Ras Media GH. On YouTube, my problems are hodo bebre. Ebini say my Facebook account no, ya disactivated so I cannot connect myself to my Facebook pages. To message mo say for now no YouTube na aso na mo behume enkopem say at the fufuro me to me enya access to this channels me da mo nyina say makra mo until we meet again, adios.